Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to use the Bump app. This will be a quick and easy tutorial, so follow along. Just before we do begin, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, don't forget to comment down in the comment section down below and I'll happily answer them for you. First of all, go ahead and download the Bump app. Most importantly, basically go ahead and click on it once downloaded and installed. As you can see, this is what it should pop up on the first page. Let's go ahead and put in your name. Once done, go ahead and put in your age right over here and your phone number. I'll send you a verification code for your phone number. As you can see, once done, it should go ahead and go to the page itself. Now, as you can see, you can even send it to a story for your Instagram right over here on the bottom. Just go ahead and click on continue. Make sure to put allow access to your GPS, importantly, and location. You don't have to put access to contacts, but this is very optional. For notifications, I'll put it on allow. Location should be used while using the app right over here. You can also keep this only while using or change to always allow. Go ahead and click on continue on the bottom. You can see, just go ahead and do that. Continue with the sharing. If you did, just go ahead and click on anyone in there. To add friends, you can go ahead and just click on anyone right over here. If you find anyone interesting, just go ahead and scroll down. If not, just go ahead and continue without adding friends. But if you'd like to go ahead and add friends, just go ahead and click on the bottom left right over here with the person and the plus sign. You can see, just go ahead and search up your friends that we want to add. And if you'd like to go ahead and see your map, just go ahead and pinch down to see the whole map on the app. Now, if you can go ahead and find places, just go ahead and click on the bottom right or right over here. As you can see, these are all the suggested places that you can go ahead and visit. There's a lot of coffee shops and a lot more. Just go ahead and put a heart on it if you'd like to. Basically, just favorite. Just go ahead and put it down. And you can go ahead also click on scratch map on the bottom left right over here. As you can see, scratch map is right over here. You'll find, as you can see, scratch map is right over here. So for this, scratch map is basically color in and track all the streets, cities, and states you visit as you walk or travel. Basically, that will be all. As you can see, 0.01 explored on the bottom right over here. Go ahead and click on exit right over there. If you'd like to view your chats, if you get to know people and chat over here, basically all DMs right over here. Basically everything here is self-explanatory. If you guys find this video helpful, please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.